Hey guys, Stephen Australia here. Well, today we're driving into a remote town called Carnamah in Western Australia. It's 300 kilometres north of Perth. We've come here today to have a look at the new tourist attraction that the town has just recently installed back in the first week of October 2024. It's the world's biggest tractor sculpture, and it's all made of fabricated steel, including the huge black tyres you'll see. The tractor is a Chamberlain 40k, and it's been given the name the Big Tractor. It is 11.5 metres tall and 16 metres long. On the official opening day, I saw on the TV a police car was parked directly beneath it, and it had no problems doing that. The first Chamberlain 40k tractors were manufactured in Western Australia in 1949. The 40k and its successor models contributed to the agricultural development of the Carnamah region and many other farming communities across Western Australia, all after the Second World War. Mr. Bob Chamberlain began his design for a powerful new farm tractor back in 1937. After interruptions from the Second World War, 2 prototypes of the 40k were assembled and tested in Melbourne in 1945. They were fueled by kerosene, and its motor had 2 opposed cylinders of huge capacity for the time. The government of Western Australia was keen to attract industry that could employ the returned servicemen after the war. So they entered into discussions with Mr. Chamberlain about moving his business to Western Australia to manufacture the tractors in this state. A deal was struck where the government allowed Chamberlain to lease a former ammunitions factory in the Perth suburb of Welshpool. In 1949, Bob Chamberlain Industries occupied 29 acres of the Welshpool industrial area, and by 1962 it had a workforce of 986 people. My grandfather owned a chicken farm in the Welshpool area, and my dad, when he was a kid living there, recalled the new tractors were frequently driving past the farm as they were testing them after they were being built. In total, Chamberlain built over 41,000 tractors in that Welshpool factory, and they were sent all over Australia, as well as to some overseas countries. But due to financial difficulties, Bob Chamberlain Industries came under government control from 1956 to 1962. Then it became a publicly listed company as Chamberlain Holdings. Eventually, John Deere purchased an interest in the company in 1970 and traded as Chamberlain John Deere through to 1976. That's when John Deere gained the controlling interest and dropped the Chamberlain name entirely. John Deere continued manufacturing at that Welshpool factory through until 1986, and it then closed down for good. So thanks for watching guys, catch you in the next video, cheers.